guys, today I'm going to show you how to attach your wrist strap to your iPhone rugged case or your AirPods Pro case. Now, our wrist straps are compatible with any iPhone 11 or newer case, as well as our AirPods Pro and Pixel Buds case. So we're going to go ahead and start with our iPhone rugged case. First, take your wrist strap and twist the smaller end of it to make it as small as possible. And we're going to poke it through the smaller hole on the outside of your rugged case. So wrist strap into the smaller hole. And now we're going to go back down into the larger hole. And it should be looking something like this. Next, take your larger end of the wrist strap and feed it through that loop. Go ahead and pull tightly. There you go. Now, attaching the wrist strap to your AirPods Pro case is a little bit trickier, and for this, I recommend using the paper clip. Just makes it a little bit easier. So, same deal, we're gonna take our smaller end of the wrist strap and twist it to get it as small as possible, and then we're gonna poke it through the bottom hole of our AirPods Pro. So, wrist strap into the bottom hole. Using your other hand, pull the wrist strap all the way through and fold it over so it's sitting right on top of that hole. Take your paper clip and push the wrist strap through the hole. Once it's through the hole, grab it and thread it all the way through. Now, again, take the larger end of your wrist strap, thread it through that loop, and just pull tightly. There you go. Last, grab your AirPods Pro, plop them in, lid on, and iPhone just snaps right into the case. And look at that. Look at that. Well, we hope that this video helped you. If it did, drop a like below and don't forget to comment what you're going to be attaching your wrist strap to. As always, don't forget to subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks, guys.